Did you know that every year, millions of bottles of baby oil are sold around the world? And yet, most people use it for only one thing, caring for a baby's delicate skin? But what if I told you that inside that simple, unassuming bottle lies a secret weapon that could transform your beauty routine, streamline your household chores, and even spark your creativity for do-it-yourself projects? How many potential uses are really hidden in that silky, fragrant oil we all associate with infancy? And why haven't more of us discovered its full potential? Today, let's dive beneath the familiar label and take a closer look at baby oil. Traditionally, baby oil is lauded for its gentle touch, designed specifically to moisturize and protect soft, sensitive skin. For decades, parents have lovingly smoothed it over wriggling babies after bath time. But what becomes of the bottle once children grow up? More often than not, it sits forgotten at the back of a medicine cabinet, its untapped value waiting to be discovered. Many of us hold the misconception that baby oil is only for babies. Others worry that its greasiness will clog pores or leave shiny residues, and some people simply don't see it as a multi-purpose product. Meanwhile, when we face the daily challenge of finding beauty and household products that really work, often we end up collecting dozens of products, each with a single use, adding up to clutter, wasted money, and a whole lot of half-empty containers. But what if a single bottle of baby oil could do the work of many? Let's break down some of the common struggles. When it comes to beauty routines, we're always searching for hydrating creams, smooth shaving aids, non-irritating makeup removers, and even serums for shiny hair. In the home, we hunt for gentle cleaners, squeak-stopping lubricants, or clever solutions for sticky situations. The beauty industry, in particular, capitalizes on specialized products, but sometimes the simplest products offer the widest range of uses. Enter baby oil, your new secret ingredient for both beauty and home. It goes far beyond the basics, and its gentle formula makes it a surprisingly effective multi-purpose tool. Starting with beauty hacks, baby oil steps up as an ultra-soft makeup remover. Just a dab, massaged onto the skin, can dissolve even the most stubborn waterproof mascara and long-wear foundations. Unlike harsh removers loaded with alcohol or chemicals, baby oil soothes as it cleanses, leaving the skin hydrated and calm. Women around the world have discovered it erases lipstick stains and eye makeup in an instant, gently but thoroughly. Next, consider the timeless annoyance of dry, flaky cuticles. Instead of expensive serums, a few drops of baby oil, massaged nightly, keeps cuticles soft, nails glossy, and hands looking manicured. It also doubles as a smoothing shaving oil, helping razors glide easily for a close, bump-free shave while moisturizing skin at the same time. No fancy shave creams required. Hair have you in a tangle? Baby oil tames flyaways, adds a natural-looking shine, and works wonders as a defrizzing serum for split ends and static-charged winter hair. Just a droplet, warmed between your palms and run lightly over hair, transforms dull strands into sleek ones without weighing down your style. Beyond beauty, baby oil can be a helpful ally around the house. Did you know that its light texture makes it a powerful dust repellent for household surfaces? A small amount polished onto wooden shelves or stainless steel appliances leaves a streak-free shine and helps surfaces resist gathering dust, meaning less frequent cleaning and a longer-lasting sparkle. Anyone who has struggled with a stuck zipper knows the irritation. A single drop of baby oil, applied with a cotton swab, can rescue even the most stubborn zippers on jackets, backpacks, or bags, restoring smooth movement without fuss. Similarly, squeaky door hinges find relief with a squirt of baby oil, saving you the expense and the smell of industrial lubricants. Crafter or DIY enthusiast, baby oil is a surprising secret ingredient in many projects. It can be used to polish up vintage jewelry, giving tarnished items a renewed glow in just minutes. It also helps remove stubborn adhesive residues left on picture frames, jars, or recycled containers. Just rub a little onto the sticky area, let it sit, then wipe away for a clean finish. One of the most innovative and perhaps unexpected uses of baby oil is as an anti-rust treatment for gardening tools. After washing and drying your tools, brush a thin layer of baby oil over metal surfaces. This acts as a barrier, preventing rust and keeping your tools in excellent condition, season after season. But perhaps the most surprising use of all has to do with one of life's little annoyances: removing temporary tattoos, stubborn bandage adhesive, or even tree sap from skin. Baby oil is a gentle yet effective way to break down sticky substances on the skin without harsh scrubbing or stinging. Parents, artists, and outdoor lovers alike can benefit from this little-known trick. Just soak a cotton ball in baby oil and gently wipe away the sticky residue, leaving the skin smooth and comfortable. So why aren't these uses more widely known? It's partly because we often look for specialized solutions, overlooking the multitaskers we already have. But as more people discover the surprising powers of baby oil, its reputation is rapidly expanding from a nursery necessity to an essential household staple. Each use eliminates the need for an extra product, simplifying your shopping list, saving money, and reducing waste in your home. To recap, baby oil is so much more than a gentle moisturizer for babies. Its role as a makeup remover, cuticle softener, frizz controller, household polish, lubricant, craft helper, and even rust preventer makes it one of the most versatile tools available. Whether you're tackling beauty routines, household tasks, or creative projects, baby oil belongs in every cabinet, not just the nursery. So next time you spot a bottle of baby oil on the shelf, remember, it's not just for babies. It could be the secret tool you never knew you needed, ready to streamline your routines, save you money, and make life just a little bit easier, one drop at a time.